How to make custom iPhone charging sound. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to make custom iPhone charging sound. To get things started, you have to make sure that you have the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have this one just yet, you have to make sure that it is downloaded, so head on to the App Store and download the app. Now you have to tap on Shortcuts and you should see three options at the bottom of the screen. There's Shortcuts, Automation, and Gallery. You have to be on Automation and then tap on Create Personal Automation. After tapping on Create Personal Automation, you should see the following options, but you have to tap on Charger on this section right here, and that should bring you to this page. So since this is for when you are charging the iPhone, you have to make sure that the check mark is on is connected and then tap on next. And on this page, you have to tap on play music and then tap on the grayed out music right here. And this should bring you to your library. You should see all the albums and all the songs you downloaded on this iPhone. So just tap on anything really. Let's try songs. And on your songs library, just try to pick the song that you'd like to play whenever your phone is connected to power. Let me try to choose this one. Tap next at the right top corner of the screen. And as you can see, we have now prepared this new automation that when this iPhone is connected, it'll play music. Now, we're not done yet. You have to make sure that this option right here, as before running, is turned off. So tap on that toggle button right there and then confirm that you want to turn this off. Once it's off, you have to just tap done and that's it. You have already successfully created your automation, so just try to charge your iPhone and wait for the music to play. And that's how you make a custom iPhone charging sound. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.